February 2nd, I think, maybe the 3rd. Blizzard 2011. Just finished clearing off my door. Had a snow pile all over to there. Got a sidewalk all cleaned off. And then we get to the fun part. He was cleaning his driveway off still. Let's see how bad it is. That's my driveway. Yep, lovely. Got some of it cleaned off. And you get all that. All neighbors' houses are covered. Got snow drifts all up on the house. Right over there, you got it all there. 5-foot drifts. Tiring, ain't it?
Yeah, and I just did the easy part.
Yeah. Like I said, we're doing it in shifts. We're just did my half first. We're gonna do her half later. Yeah, it's gonna take a while. But the good thing is, at least we're getting it done before the next 5 inches or whatever hits us.
Yeah, I know.
It's just gonna get worse. Hi, hon. We're just recording the lovely snow and our awesome 3-foot high, lovely sidewalk over here. Maybe we'll get out someday.